Hello again. Today we're going to talk about the FileCloud users. Once you log into your admin portal, on the left menu you will see the user section here on the left, and in the middle you will see how to manage the users. You can add users, delete user accounts, edit the accounts, manage the group policy that they belong to, import or export accounts from FileCloud system. And to start with this, we're going to explain what type of accounts the FileCloud system can handle. We have a full account, a guest account, and a limited access account. The full and guest accounts both can do most of the operations in the FileCloud system. They can use external applications like the Sync app, the mobile devices. They can share, they can be part of team folders, network shares. And the difference between those two is that the guest accounts don't get an option to have a personal space. They don't get a My Files folder. They can only be part of team folders, network folders, or access whatever another full account share with them. The limited access accounts, on the other hand, are different from the first two because this one doesn't count toward your license. Both the full accounts and the guest account counts toward your license, but the limited access account doesn't. And that's the real benefit of this account, because this is going to represent all the external user access that you're going to add to your system. This could be vendors, this could be providers, anyone coming from external to the company that needs an account to be able to access data that you're sharing with them. Another thing that you can manage in here in general is that if you see on the left menu, you will see that there is one account in my example server here that has a crown symbol. This means that this account has been promoted as an admin, and with its user credentials can also access the admin portal to the sections that I only give permissions to.